Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to tell you about the flag of Pakistan. Amiruddin Kidwai was the designer of Pakistan flag, who designed this flag on 11th August 1947, 4 days before the independence of Pakistan. It was presented first time to Muslim League, who was the first political party of Muslims before the independence of Pakistan. The design was approved by the League leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and on 11th August 1947 it was flown as the symbol of the Islamic Republic Dominion of Pakistan. When we are talking about the national flag of Pakistan information, we must discuss the meaning of green and white area in Pakistan flag, as well as the significance of crescent and star in green area. The green color represents the peace of Islamic nation under the Islamic rules and regulations. The white color represents the minorities and other religions in Pakistan. The moon or crescent and star represent the progress and light respectively. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक